Hello friends, I am Sudhir and you are enjoying the YouTube channel English Carnival, a journey of learning with joy. Friends, today we are going to explore some multiple choice questions based on some important essays composed by the people who have brought revolution in business sector. So friends, before we proceed, as usual, I request you to subscribe to this channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such academic videos on this particular channel called English Carnival in coming days. Friends, today we are going to explore some multiple choice questions based on some popular essays like India's Tech King, speech by N.R. Narayan Murthy, Saving Money, the beauty industry, and Facebook is making us miserable. So friends, without delay, let us move and see around 25 important multiple choice questions based on these popular essays. Let us move towards the first question. India's Tech King is an introduction to dash. Options are A. Lakshmi Mittal, B. Azim Premji, C. N.R. Narayan Murthy, and D. Bill Gates. The correct answer is B, and it is Azim Premji. Question number 2 we have, who has been listed as one of the 10 people globally who have the most power to effect change in August 2003 by Forbes? Options are A. Bill Gates, B. N.R. Narayan Murthy, C. Sabir Bhatia, and D. Azim Premji. The correct answer is D, and it is Azim Premji. Question number 3 we have, when the Padma Bhushan had been conferred to Azim Premji? Options are A. 2001, B. 2006, C. 2005, and D. 2007. Correct answer is C, and it is 2005. Question number 4 we have, Azim Premji completed his graduation in dash. Options are A. Civil engineering, B. Chemical engineering, C. Mechanical engineering, and D. Electric engineering. Correct answer is D, and he completed his graduation in electric engineering. Question number 5 we have, in 2011 Azim Premji had been conferred with the dash. Options are A. Padma Shri Award, B. Padma Vibhushan Award, C. Nobel Prize, D. Businessman of the Year Award. Correct answer is B, and it is Padma Vibhushan Award. Question number 6 we have, N.R. Narayan Murthy served as the CEO of Infosys from dash to dash. Options are A. from 1981 to 2002, B. from 1985 to 2003, C. from 1986 to 2004, and D. from 1981 to 2010. The correct answer is A, and he served as the CEO of Infosys from 1981 to 2002. The next question, question number 7 we have, in which year the world famous Infosys company was started? Options are A. in 1981, B. 1980, C. 1982, and D. 1983. Correct answer is A, and it was started in 1981. Question number 8 we have, when did N.R. Narayan Murthy return to Infosys as the executive chairman and additional director? Options are A. 11 June 2013, B. 10 July 2013, C. 11 July 2013, and D. 1st July 2013. Correct answer is D, and it is 1st July 2013. Question number 9 we have, who was the chairman of Wipro? Options are A. Azim Premji, B. Sabir Bhatia, C. N.R. Narayan Murthy, and D. Rishad Premji. Correct answer is A, and it is Azim Premji. Question number 10 we have, where did N.R. Narayan Murthy deliver a speech to a batch of graduating students in 2007? Options are A. Stanford University, B. New York University, C. Clemson University, and D. Howard University. Correct answer is B, and it was New York University where he delivered a speech to a batch of graduating students in 2007. Question number 11 we have, what is the highest form of knowledge according to N.R. Narayan Murthy? Options are A. aptitude, B. wisdom, C. self-knowledge, and D. skill. The correct answer is C, and it is self-knowledge. Question number 12 we have, who is the author of Saving Money? Options are A. Azim Premji, B. M. Leaf, C. Aldous Huxley, and D. N.R. Narayan Murthy. Correct answer is B, and it is Yam leaf. Question number 13 we have, when people don't have to worry about the security of their savings according to Yam leaf. In which situation people don't have to worry about the security of their savings? Options are A. Savings are lending to unauthorized sectors. B. Savings are lending to the private companies. C. Savings are lending to the business sectors. And D. Savings are lending to the government. Correct answer of this question number 13 is D, and it is savings are lending to the government. Question number 14 we have, where one needs to utilize savings if one wishes to have higher returns. Options are A. In different private sectors. B. In buying gold. C. In insurance schemes. And D. In buying shares and debenture of companies. Correct answer is D, and it is in buying shares and debentures of companies. Question number 15 we have, who wrote Commerce Through the Press? Options are A. N.R. Narayan Murthy. B. Aldous Huxley. C. Daniel Gulati. And D. Yam leaf. Correct answer is D, and it is Yam leaf. Question number 16 we have, Dash is the author of Junior Clerk at Work. Options are A. Narayan Murthy. B. Yam leaf. C. Daniel Gulati. And D. Aldous Huxley. Correct answer is again B, and it is Yam leaf. Question number 17 we have, the beauty industry is written by Dash. Options are A. Azim Premji. B. Yam leaf. C. Aldous Huxley. D. N.R. Narayan Murthy. The correct answer is C, and it is Aldous Huxley's popular essay. Question number 18 we have, which American industry has not been affected by the depression? Options are A. Revenue industry. B. Medical industry. C. Beauty industry. And D. None of these. Correct answer is C, and it is beauty industry. Question number 19 we have, Brave New World is written by Dash. Options are A. Yam leaf. B. Poe Bronson. C. Aldous Huxley. And D. H.G. Wells. Correct answer is C, and it was written by Aldous Huxley. Question number 20 we have, the beauty industry is a dash kind of essay. Options are A. Critical essay. B. Sad essay. C. Humorous and satirical essay. And D. Serious essay. Correct answer is C, and it is a humorous and satirical kind of essay. Question number 21 we have, in the beauty industry, the author ridicules the dash of women for cosmetics. Options are A. Weakness. B. Consciousness. C. Foolishness. And D. None of these. Correct answer is A, and it is weakness. Question number 22 we have, Daniel Gulati is New York based tech entrepreneur of dash origin. Options are A. Afro-American. B. Asian Australian. C. Indian. And D. Asian. Correct answer is B, and it is Asian Australian. Question number 23 we have, Facebook was started in dash. Options are A. 2001. B. 2002. C. 2003. And D. 2004. Correct answer is D, and it is 2004. Question number 24 we have, comparing ourselves to others is a key driver of unhappiness. Who says it? Options are A. Premji. B. Daniel Gulati. C. Narayan Murthy. And D. None of these. Correct answer is B, and it is Daniel Gulati. The next question, question number 25 we have, according to Daniel Gulati, the social networking creates an online culture of dash. Options are A. Irritation. B. Competition and comparison. C. Sharing feelings. And D. Information. Correct answer is B, and it is competition and comparison. Question number 26 we have, flying without a net is written by dash. Options are A. Yam leaf. B. Daniel Gulati. C. Tom DeLonge. And D. Aldous Huxley. Correct answer is C, and it is Tom DeLonge. So friends, all these are the multiple choice questions based on some popular essays that we have explored in this video. I hope friends you have liked all these multiple choice questions. If you have really liked it, I request you to like it, share it among your friends, near and dear ones as well. Friends, if you are a new viewer to this channel, then I request you to subscribe to this channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon, so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such academic videos on this particular channel called English Carnival in coming days. So friends, we'll meet soon again with a different video on different piece of literature. Till then friends, just take care of yourself and be happy. Thank you very much.